Welcome, wonderful viewers, to Cultural Entertainment TV. Gongxi Fakai, Xinnian Kuailei. Happy Chinese New Year. The air is buzzing with energy right now. Families are reuniting, red lanterns glow softly, drums pulse in the distance, and fireworks stand ready to paint the sky. Today we honor one of the world's oldest and most joyful festivals, the Spring Festival, known everywhere as Chinese New Year. In 2026, we leap into the vibrant Year of the Fire Horse. On Cultural Entertainment TV, we bring cultures to life. Join me as we explore the history, legends, traditions, foods, symbols, global celebrations, and special energy of this Fire Horse year. Whether you're in Beijing, the lively streets of Abuja here in Nigeria, San Francisco, or anywhere across the globe, this festival binds us in renewal, family love, and hope for a prosperous future. Let's immerse ourselves in the magic of Chinese New Year 2026. Chinese New Year follows the lunar calendar, so the date moves each year. In 2026, it begins on Tuesday, February 17th, with the new moon. The night before, Monday, February 16th, is New Year's Eve, the emotional peak when families gather for a feast. The festival runs 15 days, ending at the Lantern Festival on March 3rd under the first full moon, with lanterns shining and sweet treats shared for unity. This is more than a holiday, it's the soul of Chinese culture. Over 1 billion people in China and millions worldwide pause to honor ancestors, clear away the old year's troubles, and welcome health, wealth, and harmony. It triggers Chun Yun, the planet's biggest annual migration, as people travel home by every means possible, showing how deeply family is valued. February timing reflects ancient farming cycles. Even in winter, it signals spring's approach. Blossoms budding, fields awakening. It's a celebration of fresh starts, growth, and abundance. 2026 stands out because of the Zodiac. The 12-year cycle features animals: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, pig, each with unique traits shaping the year and those born in it. This is the year of the horse, 7th in line, and specifically the fire horse. 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, water, combine with animals every 60 years. The last fire horse was 1966, a rare cycle return. Horses are energetic, independent, sociable, optimistic, adventurous, quick-witted, and freedom-loving. They thrive on movement, new experiences, hard work when motivated, and charisma. They gallop through life. Fire adds intensity, passion, transformation, creativity, boldness, and drive. The 2026 Fire Horse year brings fast changes, breakthroughs, high momentum, ideal for launching ideas, travel, or chasing dreams. Careers in dynamic areas like tech, media, entrepreneurship, or performance may see exciting progress. Yet fire needs balance. Impulsiveness or haste can cause issues. Channel the energy mindfully for best results. For those born in horse years, 1930, 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014, 2026, it's your Ben-Ming Nian return year, potentially challenging but growth-filled. Many wear red or use protective charms for Tai Sui. In relationships, Fire Horse sparks passion, great for romance, rekindling bonds, or meeting adventurous partners. Compatible with tiger, dog, or sheep. Watch clashes with rat or ox. Career favors bold steps. Wealth improves with smart risks. The Zodiac originates in the Great Race legend. The Jade Emperor called animals to race across a river. First 12 would name the years. Clever rat rode ox's back, jumped ahead to win first. Ox second. Tiger third after battling currents. Rabbit fourth via stones or log. Dragon fifth. He paused to help with rain. Snake sixth. Startling horse from his hoof. Horse seventh. Goat monkey, rooster team for 8th to 10th. Dog 11th. Pig 12th, slowed by food and rest. No cat, the rat tricked him by not waking him, starting their eternal chase. This story teaches cleverness, kindness, perseverance, and teamwork, values alive in every new year. The Nian legend explains many customs. Anciently, a monster named Nian attacked villages on New Year's Eve, devouring everything. People fled to mountains in fear. One year, a wise old man arrived, promising protection. On New Year's Eve, he dressed in red, lit fires, set off loud firecrackers, beat drums, and hung red items. Nian fled in terror from red, noise and light, never returning. Thus, red protects and brings joy. Firecrackers, fireworks, staying up late, shusui, and red decorations continue the tradition. Preparations begin early. Da Sao Chu, thorough cleaning, removes dust, bad luck, negativity. Homes shine, but no sweeping on New Year's Day to avoid sweeping fortune away. New clothes, especially red, symbolize vitality and luck. Outfits, underwear, accessories, all fresh. Doors display Shanlian, red couplets wishing prosperity. Upside down fu means fortune arrives. Paper cuts of fish, peaches, peonies, plum blossoms add meaning. Door gods or fu dogs guard. Firecrackers scare away lingering negativity. New Year's Eve reunion dinner, Nian Yifan, is central. Families gather no matter the distance. Tables fill with symbolic foods. Afterwards, show sui. Watch the CCTV gala. Play games, share stories. Midnight fireworks, bells ring. The new year begins. Hongbao, red envelopes with money, bring luck to children and unmarried adults. Day 1, February 17th. Family visits, greetings, rest. No cleaning, hair washing, arguments, keep luck intact. Day 2, married daughters visit parents. Days 3 to 6, more visits, welcome God of wealth. Day 7, symbolic birthday, Yusheng prosperity tossing south. Day 9, Emperor of Heaven birthday, big for some groups. Lantern Festival, March 3rd. Lanterns, riddles, lion/dragon dances, Tangyun for togetherness. Food carries deep wishes. Dumplings, jiaozi, ingot-shaped for wealth, wrapped together. Whole fish, yu, surplus year after year, head to guest. Longevity noodles, uncut for long life. Niangao, rise higher in success. Spring rolls, gold bars. Tangerines/oranges, golden fortune. Common gifts, Tang Yuan, family unity. 8 treasure pudding, harmony. Northern, dumplings heavy. Southern, seafood, rice cakes. Hakka, pork-focused. Vegetarians, mock dishes. Red rules for protection, joy, gold, wealth. Peonies, honor. Plum, resilience. Avoid white/black, mourning. Sharp objects, breakage. Greetings, Gong Shi Fa Kai. Xinyan Kuailei, Wan Shiru Yi. Lucky numbers, 8, prosper, 6, smooth. Avoid 4, taboos, no negativity, lending/borrowing, early hair/nail cuts. Worldwide, Singapore Chingay dazzles. Malaysia open houses welcome all. San Francisco parade huge. London Trafalgar glows. Sydney fireworks epic. In Abuja and Nigeria, Chinese communities share lion dances, red decor, feasts, blending cultures beautifully. Modern touches, digital hongbao, virtual gatherings, eco-friendly elements. Essence remains gratitude, unity, hope. In Firehorse 2026, embrace bold change with courage and heart. Pursue dreams, stay grounded in family and kindness. From Cultural Entertainment TV, Gong Shi Fa Kai. May the Firehorse bring unstoppable energy, adventures, prosperity, health, love, joy. Xinyan Kuailei. Happy Chinese New Year, 2026. Thank you for celebrating with us. Keep sharing culture, spreading light. Until next time, gallop strong, shine bright. If you enjoyed this, drop a Gong Shi Fa Kai in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to Cultural Entertainment TV for more cultural vibes. Xinyan Kuailei.